Morning guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is quite a special video for me because I'm beginning my journey of skincare. Yeah, I'm beginning my skincare journey. So I had talked earlier on Instagram that my skin is actually struggling. I've had these things that are appearing on my chin, around my cheek, and on my forehead, around the T-zone. And I actually don't know what it is. So I did some research, deep research, went into Google, went everywhere, watched other people's videos, did this, did that. And I finally decided I'll do a 7-day challenge with tomatoes. Yeah. So tomatoes have a high content of salicylic acid. This salicylic acid you usually buy. You want to clear your acne, you want to clear your blackheads, you want to clear the rashes, which I hear some people say it's fungal yeast, others say it's closed chlamydones, but I decided I'll go for the natural products because ever since I began using the facial wash, the facial cleanser and all that, and I'm very active with hair products as well because I've seen other hair vloggers, they also have the same issues. They're like, when I'm doing my routines, I just end up with some oils on my face and it actually brings out the rashes. So we're beginning a challenge. Today is the first day of the challenge. I'll shoot the tomatoes, how I'm going to be using the tomatoes, and then I'll take you to my kitchen right now so that you can see my procedure. Yeah, so stay tuned guys. Stay till the end so that you can actually see the results. Yeah. Okay, bye. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on my Instagram page. The link is here. The name is here. That's my Instagram handle. And yeah, let's grow both platforms. Yeah. So hi guys, I'm in the kitchen. I have my tomato inside some warm water because it's just from the fridge. Then my knife and my board. I can't show you my sink guys, it's full of dirty dishes. Yeah, I know girl is lazy. Yeah, girl is lazy, so I'm not gonna wash them. I need to find a place to place this phone because clearly I'm alone, I can't do it. So let me do the chopping. I'll show you. I'll chop them into round circles. They look like pads so that I can rub them on my face. But the most important step in this is to show you how I apply it on my face. So I'll just chop it and then show you the pieces I have made. So guys, I have chopped the tomatoes into round circles like this. These are the circles we're going to be using. I love, look at that pattern. Remember when we were doing placentation in school? Then you're told to draw this. The fuck was that? So yeah, there we have the pads. So I'm going to head to the sink and I will try as much as possible to see how we can do it, or I'll just do it on my in my bedroom. So I'll just choose. So stay tuned guys. Hi guys, so I'm back with my tomato slices. I've just decided to do it from where I normally do it because in the bathroom I won't be able because I don't have a stand. But if you know I can get a good stand, leave it in the comment section. So that's it. Those are the tomato slices. I'm just going to rub it all over my face like this. Oh, that thing is cold. Oh, it's so cold. Tomatoes have salicylic acid, they have vitamin C, they have all the good shit you're told to put on your face. The tomato has it. So what else are you looking for? Huh? This is only 10 shillings. 10 Kenya shillings! You go get the salicylic acid ni 3,000 or 4,000 depending on the brand you want. If you go for Rashes, you can get some 6,000 shit there. Hey! We need to try what we can afford. So, I'm just going to rub it all over my face. Nasikia kuikula. Yeah, that's like saying I feel like eating it. Yeah, like, oh, I like tomatoes. So I'm just gonna do it all around my face. Cause you focus more where the rashes are, huku. Yeah. This one doesn't have any more juice. Let's get to the next. Ah, that cold nini is so good. Ooh. Yeah. Just do that. Okay, I feel like literally eating it because my face is dirty, so I can't put it in my mouth. Yeah, I feel a lot of itchiness around this area, so I'm going to focus there. Yeah, it also helps with brightening up your face. If you want a bright face, like for me, my eye regions are usually dark. Let me apply there. My eye regions are usually dark, and my forehead and uku here. So I'm going to focus more on there. Yeah, that one I've really exhausted it nicely. Go to the next. Ooh, I just like how cold it is. Be gentle on your skin, ladies and guys. Be gentle on your skin. Don't do like, yeah, ooh. Girl, this is not a sandpaper. You're not scrubbing your walls, man. This is your face. Be smooth. Be gentle. Yeah. So there. Focus huku quarter. And you can see, you guys, I have a bonnet. If you don't sleep with your bonnet, then what the hell do you sleep with? Huh? I don't know. Kama ulalangi na bonnet, unalala na nini? If you don't sleep on a satin pillow or a bonnet, what you sleeping on? Take care of your face. Take care of your hair. Take care of yourself, girl. You deserve this, man. Una deserve hii mapenzi. Kwanza venye mimi nimeteseka hii mwezi. Wacha tu. Yeah, there. I kind of feel good I'm using the natural products because I kind of know the side effects won't be so massive like using the chemical one. So, and it's kind of it's burning. It's actually burning. I can feel the burn on my face. Woo. Yeah, it's actually itchy. There's some itchiness I'm starting to feel. It's no harm. I'm focusing more on my eyes because I want that dark eyelids I usually have there to go out with. Focus here on the downside. It will help with those eye bags, those wrinkles you have there. This is like a all-in-one package, guys. All-in-one package. I love it. So once you use the tomato, there's vitamin C inside there, there's salicylic acid inside there, there's some iron inside there, there's some magnesium inside there, there's all those shitty things you want on your face, they're all here. Vitamin E is also here. Vitamin B, some bits of vitamin B, but the highest concentration is salicylic acid and some vitamin C. So yeah, let's see how this goes for the next 7 days. If I see some improvement, then I'll let you know, guys. But for the meantime, I have stopped using my normal products. I think I'll just use the moisturizer, or I don't know. I'll know what I'll be applying on my face as a moisturizer. I'll just moisturize with olive oil. I have some olive oil and use it as my moisturizer for now. So there, guys, we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Then we'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. I'll give you my honest opinion. I ain't advertising tomatoes for nobody. So stay tuned. So hi, guys. I'm still waiting for the time to pass. It has mattified my face like I feel the matte, but all together, the itchiness has ended. It's not a long itchiness, but it's itchiness that lasts for a long time, but it's there at the beginning. But let's wait and see. Yeah. So I'm gonna introduce you to my cat, Hazel. Say hi, honey. Say hi to the people. And by the way, she likes tomatoes. She's kind of feeling the smell, and she's like, I want to eat you up. I want to eat you up. Yeah, so that's it. Let's just wait. So hi guys, welcome back. So I'm done washing my face, and I can't say anything about it, but the fact that it mattifies your face for a moment, and once you wash it off, I can't tell if there's a difference, but I feel relieved. There was an itchiness you see when I use the products like the Simple I was using. Once I use it and I wash it off, there's an itchiness. I just want to scratch in there, scratch, but it's not there anymore. I'm just feeling so nice. Let's use some olive oil. Let me pick it here. So I have some olive oil here. I just went to the supermarket and got the cheapest of them all. Yeah, so I got this one, Santa Maria extra virginal. It's for cooking, but the fact that the ingredients, let's see the ingredients, it just says ingredient is extra virgin oil, olive oil, like or olives. They are the ingredients. So I just figured out it's good for my face. Let's use it. Just a little, don't do too much. Yeah. Yeah, I'll buy some jojoba. Oh no. Oh God, I just feel like my face is opening up. Like, thank you, Valerie. Thank you for doing this to me. Oh no. It's like healing. Like, oh Valerie, thanks. Do to your neck as well. See, nini uso peke. Your face is looking so good, but your neck is the ghetto. Yeah. So there, guys, this is day 1. So 6 more days to go, then we shall see the results. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch my video on the 4 hairstyles I've done. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Go check out my other videos. Please, just let's make this channel grow. We're like 26 people away to 300 subscribers. We'll get there. We can get there, guys. We can get there. If just one of you sends that link to your friend or your mom or your dad or your sister, this channel will grow. So this is hashtag clear the rashes on your face and let the challenge begin. So bye till next time.